messed my foot up the other day, so I'm a little limpy, but I'm not gonna skip out today. It hurts, but it's okay.
But I guess you didn't know, as I said, a story told. Baby, now I got the flow, 'cause I know it from the start. Baby, when you broke my heart, that I had to come again and show you that I win. You lied to me. All those times I said that I love you. You lied to me. Yes, I tried. Yes, I tried. You lied to me. Even though you knew I'd die for you. You lied to me. Yes, I cried. Yes, I cried. Running fast to take my swine, letting all the people know that I'm back to run the show. 'Cause what they did, they know was wrong, and all the nasty things you done. So baby, listen carefully while I sing my comeback song. You lied to me, and she said she'd never turn on me. You lied to me, but you did, but you did. You lied to me, all this pain you said I never did. You lied to me, but I do, but I do. Come on, oh my God, here I am. Once again, top of the world, what must go? Don't you know?
Rise and shine. I know you.
All that I got, pieces and pages, talking a lot. Sorry, I'm faded. I forgot. You love me. You love me. Got a shift in 10 a.m. Fuck to my lady. But I can't get you up my head. Ooh.